नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्वैतचन्द्रवर्गे सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. Let me apologize for the delay due to the app starting. Om Namo Brahmadibhyo Brahmavidyasampradayakर्तृभ्यो Vamsharishibhyo Mahadbhyo Namo Gurubhyaha. Vakratunde Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavasyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. नित्या भगिनी
हाँ जी।
शांति मंत्र में
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। श्रीहरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमीश्वरं व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद। In the last class we dealt almost about 12 slokas, all of them narrating different type of adhyasa or illusion, or where mistaken identity is the misapprehension of the reality. Now from this onwards the Acharya is taking to the next level of what is the result of that further. So in the last adhyasa, what we have found out is that even though the reality is all the time available to us, the truth which is available to us, the Satchidananda Brahma is the what we are experiencing, bodham prati, every bodham. But what happens is that because of the avidya or the misapprehension of the reality, what we have is that names and forms and the adjectives of the objects, and we feel the reality of the objects is independent of the substratum. And the Satchidananda Brahma is never perceived or never understood properly unless it is taught by a Shastra Guru, Shastrasya Guru Vakyasya iti. So only when we have that type of exposure, we will be looking towards the our experiences more minutely and in an investigative manner. And when we do not do this experiences on an investigative and minute manner, what happens is that what is appearing as a reality will be the experience what we are having. Just as in the Rajju Sarpa or Shuktika Rajatam or even the water of the mirage. All these examples are what is shown is that we take what is appearing as a reality and we never know the truth. Same is the case with this aham mama iti adhyasa also, where I am the deha, therefore all the adhyasa with the deha related objects, relationship, possessions, sukha, dukkha, all those things are felt on the body is taken it for granted that it is happening to us. We are the Chaitanya, we are the Chetana in this body which is functioning towards the Chittavasa Tvena. Through the mind and the intellect and the sense organs we are being able to sense the world. But when the sense of the world is coming to us in the form of adjectives and name and form, we also forget that it is our Chaitanya Chetana which is reflecting in the Mano Buddhi Ahankara, which is causing the identification that I am the mind, I am the intellect, I am the body, etc. Now from this sloka onwards, Bhagavad Pada Shankara is taking us. Now what is the methodology with which we should further do the vichara? So Chandani Bhagini, can you read the sloka? And
Amoday. Evatmanya vidyato dehadyaso hi jayate evatma parigyana aliyate paramatmani. Adacheta. Evam आत्मनि अविध्यातः देहाध्यासः हि जायते एवं आत्मपरिज्ञानात् लीयते च परात्मनि. अन्वय. एवं आत्मनि हि जायते अविध्यातः देहाध्यासः एवं आत्मपरिज्ञानात् लीयते च परमात्मनि. एवं द्वादशभिः श्लोकै रुक्तमर्थमुप संहरति एवमिति एवमुक्ते न प्रकारेण आत्मन्य विद्यातः आत्मज्ञानात् देहाध्यासो मनुष्यः अहम् इति यादि बुद्धिर्जायते भवति इति प्रसिद्धौ नन्वेत्तस्य निवृत्तिः कुतो भवेदिति चेत् आत्मज्ञानात् देवेत्याहो तरार्धन् सैति स एच देहाध्यास एवात्मपरिज्ञानात् ब्रह्मात् मैक्य साक्षात् कारात् परात्मनि अज्ञानात् कार्यरहिते प्रत्यक् भिन्ने ब्रह्मणि लीयते ब्रह्मस्वरूपेणाव तिष्ठते नाधिष्ठान विना आरोपितस्य स्वरूपमस्ति चकार ध्यास कारणं ज्ञानमपि लीयते इति अन्यथा ध्यासलया भावादित्यर्थः नहि कारणे सति कार्यस्य लयः संभवति तस्मात् आत्मज्ञानदेव सकारण कार्यध्यास निवृत्ति विद्यलयं पल्लिवितेन.
धन्यवाद भगिनी.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
एवमात्मनि अविद्यातो देहाद्योऽसो हि जायते एवमात्मपरिज्ञानात् लीयते च परात्मनि. तदच्छेदः. एवम् आत्मनि अविद्यातः देहाध्यासः हि जायते एवम् आत्मपरिज्ञानात् लीयते च परात्मनि. अन्वयं किं वदति? एवम् आत्मनि हि जायते अविद्यातः देहाध्यासः. इत्युक्ते what happens is in that adhyasa dehadhyasah because of avidya kutra jayate? Atmani hi jayate. It is happening to us, but we are not able to understand that this such a thing is happening. That is why that adhyasa is happening. And the cause for the the dehadhyasa is avidya. Evam atma parijnanat. Once you are able to differentiate between the atma and the deha, parijnanat, vishishajnanat, that अध्यासः देहम् देहात्मनोः अध्यासः लीयते and kutra paramatmani avatishyate. Therefore we get established, and because deha doesn't have jada hai, jada doesn't have the capacity to be aware of anything which is happening unless the atma prakashena eva suprakashetena eva. So Vidyarni Muni kim vadati, what is the thing? Evam dvadishibihi slokaihi ukta artam upasamharati. So now whatever the slokartham which is being told in the 12 slokas, evam dvadishibihi slokaihi ukta artam upasamharati. In this, from now onwards, he is concluding that adhyasasya rupa bhava eva. Evam iti eva muktena prakarena atma anya vidadaha atma jnanat dehadhyasaha. That is what it is that ukta prakarena atmanya avidyataha atmani, in the atma, because of the avidya, atma ajnanat, because of the non-apprehension of the reality of atma, dehadhyasaha jayate. Dehadhyasa is happening because aham deha, aham manushyaha, aham, putraha, putrihi, all those adhyasa is atma ajnanat, and that is avidyataha, because of the avidya. Manushoham ityadi buddhir jayate. Adhyasaha ityasya kim, adhyasa ityukte kim, what does that adhyasa is that? Manushoham iti adi buddhihi jayate. That all the ideation or the notion that aham manushyaha iti evam ityadi buddhir jayate bhavati, jayate ityukte bhavati iti prasiddhau. Nanu etasya nivrittihi kuto bhavati chet. Now if this is the nivritti of this adhyasa kuto bhavati iti chet, how can it happen? It is atmatyanad eva ati aha uttarardena. So in the now uttarardha means from now onwards, atmatyanad eva ati aha uttarardena is being aha means brute. He is explaining from atmatyanad eva tasya nivritti bhavati. Saha iti saha eva. Saha means that purushaha eva. Dehadhyasaha evam atma parijnanat brahmatmaikya sakshakarat paramatmani ajnana tatkarya rahite pratyagatmani brahmani diyate. Now, how does the nivritti of this adhyasa happen? Atma parijnanat, because of the atma, the real knowledge of atma, what is our real nature, when we know that, that is, what is that? Brahma atmaikya sakshatkara paramatmani. In the paramatma swarupa of ours, by brahmatmaikya, that is the pot, the space in the pot, when it is not there, it is mahakasha eva bhavati. There is no separate action or separate, event is not happening. Even when it was inside the pot, it was mahakasha only, but we concluded it as a space inside the pot. Same way, the atma which is functioning through the deha, when dehadhyasa jayate, when the dehadhyasa goes, that misapprehension of that I am the atma, changes deham, manushoham ityadi buddhi, when it goes, brahma atma aikya sakshatkaram bhavati. That is the time when that aham brahmasmi iti jnanam utpadyate or jnanam avabodhate. Utpadyate, I cannot say utpadyate because there is nothing new to happen. evam bodham bhavati. There is just an aware, just the true knowledge is what is happening. Ajnana tatkarya rahite pratyagatma bhinne brahmani liyate. And that Brahma Atma Aikyam Kim, what is the Rupam? Pratyagatma Abhinna. Our own very nature, Pratyagatma is our Atma, or our own awareness, the individual Atma, Abhinne, is not separate from Brahmani. It is not different from Brahma, that is Brahmatma Aikya Sakshatkara. Tat Ajnana Tatkarya Rahite. But this Dehadhyasa is because of what? Ajnana Tatkaryam. That Ajnanat Dehadhyaso Bhavati Tatkarya Rahite. So Karyam is Ajnanam. The Karya Rahite Karana Rahite Karyasyapi na Astitvam Asti. Iti Karanataha Dehatma Buddhi Nivartyate Pratyagatma Bhinne Brahmani Liyate. Brahma Swarupena Avatishtate. That Brahma Swarupa eva Avatishtate. That Atma and Brahma is the same. That awareness has no partification, no localization, no individualization. No way you cannot say the space is limited due to the upadhi in it. Same way, the awareness and the existence of Satchidananda cannot be localized and bifurcated as a dehastha. So deham is a adhyasa on the atma. Therefore, just as spot is an adhyasa on the space, to call it as a spot space. The spot space doesn't exist. You don't have to destroy the spot to know that spot space is the same as the space outside. By mere knowledge, we know that the space inside the pot is not separate from the space outside. Even when we are moving pot from one location to another, just as we move from one location to another, that we are moving in that Satchidananda only. But we have the feeling that we are physically moving because of the Dehadhyasa. So, Brahma Swarupena Avatishtate. Na Adhisthana Vina Aropitasya. Because Adhisthana Vina Aropitasya Dehasya Avastha eva nasti. Adhisthana means it is in the Adhisthana Brahmani Atmatvam is Adhyaropitam. Actually, Atma is not an entity independent of Brahma. Because of the Adhisthana Aropitatvat, the Dehatvatvena Atma idyuchyate. Because we have a Deha, then that Deha related Chaitanya is called Atma, but it is not separate from a same Brahma Swarupa. That is why Adhyaropita Drishtya Atma api Adhyaropitameva is a superimposition relation to the body. But in reality, body is not the Atma. Also, Adhisthana Vina Aropitasya Swarupam Asti. So, Adhisthana Vina, there is when the Adhisthana Vina Aropitasya Swarupam Asti. Now, the Swarupam of the Atma and the Brahma becomes Brahmatma Ikya Sakshatkarasyene evam. Chakarat Adhyasa Karanam Ajnanam Api Diyate. That word cha in the sloka, what does the chakarat, what does it chakara indicate is Adhyasa Karanam Ajnanam Api Liyate. When the Atma has merged with the Brahma, the awareness of the individual resident Atma, the knowledge, awareness is merging with the total Satchidananda. So, the Adhyasasya Karanam, because of the effect of feeling through the mind and body. Tat Karanam api, because then what happens is that identification or Aham Buddhi, Aham Deha, Aham, that Aham Ahankaram api liyate. So therefore the adhyasasya karana ajnanam api liyate. Ajnanam also goes because ajnanatvena aham asmi iti bhavi. So that aham, when brahmasmi, when it happens, tatra aham kuta asti, where can the aham can separate from Brahma exist? So ajnanam api liyate. Iti anyata adhyasa laya abhavati ityartha. Otherwise, adhyasa laya abhavat ityartha. So adhyasam also, adhyasam, the superimposition also is absent when that happens in sakshatkara. Nahi karane sati karyasya layaha sambhavati. Nahi karane sati karyasya laya sambhavati. Tasmat ajnanad eva sa karana karyadhyasa nivrittir iti layam iti alam pallavitena. So what happens is that karana sati karyasya laya sambhavati. Nahi karane le sati karyasya layam sambhavati. As long as the karanam is there, karyasya layam na sambhavati. Because karanam is ajnana. And ajnanasya nasham bhavati sakshatkara pratyagatma abhinna brahmani liyate. Tat karanena. So karanam nasti chet karyam api nasti. Karya karanayo sambandha tadeva. The karya and karana are not separate. The karanam eva karya rupena bhati. So the mud itself is in the shape of a pot. The karyam is the pot. The karanam is the mud. Same way karya karana layam ekat yugapat bhavati. When karanam goes, the karyam also goes itself. If the sarpa ajnana is the cause for the sarpa bhadi. Now sarpa bhadi will remain as the sarpa as long as the ajnana of the rope is there. So the moment the rope jnana comes up, karanam is ajnana of rope swarupa. The rajju swarupam, when you don't know the real nature of the rope, when you don't know, there is a superimposition of the snake. But the moment the karanam, which is the ajnanam of the rope, goes and we come to know it is a rope, then there can never be the karyam, which is the sarpabhadi. The feeling of the snake on the rope can also not exist. So that is that nahi karane sadi karyasya laya sambhavati. Tasmat ajnanad eva sa karya karanadhyasa nivritti asti alam pallavina. So like the seed, pallava means seed. So the cause of the tree for the seed is the cause for the tree. Like that, the seed of the ajnana is the avidya. So that misapprehension, when that also goes, then there are no adis dehoham ityadi buddhir katadpi na tishtate. So that is now that all the 12 slokas where the adhyasa was explained, in one stroke he says that it is only ajnana which is the cause for all the 12 sloka examples which we saw. Now this is continuing this here. Shantu Mahodaya? Your voice is very low, Mahodaya.
सर्वमात्मतया ज्ञातं जगत् स्थावर जंगमम् अभावात् सर्वभावानां देहस्य चात्मा कुतः. पदच्छेदः. सर्वम् आत्मतया ज्ञातं जगत् स्थावर जंगमम् अभावात् सर्वभावानां देहस्य च आत्मता कुतः. अन्वयः. यथा स्थावर जंगमं सर्वं जगत् आत्मातया ज्ञातं भवति तथा सर्वभावानां अभावात् देहस्य च कुतः आत्मता एतदेव विवृणोति सर्वमिति आत्मता देहस्य नेत्यर्थः स्पष्ट मन्यत।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवाद।
सर्वम् आत्मतया ज्ञातं जगत् सावरजङ्गमम् अभावात् सर्वभावानां देहस्य च आत्मता कुता। अन्वयः यथा स्थावरजङ्गमं सर्वं जगत् आत्मतया ज्ञातं भवति तथा सर्वभावानाम् अभावात् देहस्य च कुत आत्मता. Now he is taking about this aspect of Stavara Jangamam Sarvam Jagat Atmataya Jnatam. It is that appearance Sarvam Jagat, that Stavara Jangamam means both stationary and moving, that sentient and insentient objects, which is called the Jagat. Sarvam Jagat. Atmataya Jnadam. Because of our awareness, nature of our awareness, they are there is felt. Then when Atmataya, in the Sushupti Avastha, when Atmataya, we are not projecting our awareness onto the world outside. They are not in the realm of awareness. So it is only the Atmatjnana Deva Jagat Sarvam Bhati. Jagat Idiva Bhavati. Because of the projection of the world is when we wake up, the first thought when I comes up, Ahamasmi, then Dehosmi, and then from the Dehosmi, Mama Sarvam Santi, and then Jagat Bhati. All those things are instantaneous. Vibhavatta is what is happening. So, Sarvam Atmataya Jnatam. So, you are not separating out the awareness here as separate of that of the Stavara Jangamam separate and that of the Atmataya. It is awareness, and it is only awareness. I am saying awareness, it is not an object-based awareness, it is an awareness as a substratum in which everything is appearing. Like the space in which everything is appearing. When you know the space is the substratum or the adhishtanam for sarvam, even though the appearances of the object may still be there as a thing, then you also will have the knowledge that they are all suspended in the space. Tada sarva bhavanam abhavat. So then what happens is that there is a unity, that even though these are all appearances in the space, there is a unification at the space level, that sarvam is everything. Vijnana Vedirekena Nasti Kinchit is another statement which is in the Shastra. Without awareness, nothing can exist. And therefore, everything is in Vijnana Vedirekena. Apart from that, Nasti Kinchit. Same way, Sarva bhavanam abhava dehasya kuta atmata. So that how can that identity come with the body level when the world itself has become one within the awareness? As part of the awareness, the body which is also part of the Jagat cannot also not exist independently. Etadeva grunoti sarvamiti atmada dehasya na ityartha. Shesham spashtam. So here in this sloka, he is just talking the other aspect of it. But Atma Brahmani liyate in the previous sloka he has said. In this sloka what happens is, it is in the Atma, the Stavara Jangaman Jagat Eva Tishtati. So Atmataya Sarvam Bhavati, Jnatam Bhavati. So Tatra Deham Prutak. How can the body be independent of the Jagat? to have a separate independent existence. So therefore, part of the Jagat, the Deha, our body, independent body, is also part of the Jagat. When the whole Jagat is known in the awareness, and the body also becomes a part of that awareness with which we know everything. So there cannot be a separatedness in the Deha level that I am the body. Therefore, what happens? Aham, Mama, Iti, Ityadi, all those related, constructs which we had made out of the Deha also gets nullified. Right. Shobha Bhagini, next sloka.
Mudaya. Next sloka is not being shown, Mudaya.
No, Atma. Now it's coming. Yeah, Atmana Santat. It is coming.
Satatam. Satatam.
Atma Satatam. Atmanam Satatam Jnanam.
Atmanam Satatam Jnanam Kalam Nayamahadyute Prarabdhamakilam Bhunjannodvegam Kartumarhasi. Tatra arhasi iti mane Mhodaya. Kartumarhasi.
Arhasi, right.
Padachedaha. Atmanam Satatam Janan Kalam Naya Mahadyute Prarabdham Akhilam Bhunjan Na Udvegam Kartum Arhasi. Anvayaha. He Mahadyute Atmanam Satatam Janan Akhilam Prarabdham Bhunjan Kalam Naya Udvegam Na Kartum Arhasi. Nanu Gnanino Nishprapanchatmataya Mama Kim Syat Brahmanya Bhojana Bhojanena Anya Strupyati iti ched ata aha Atmanam iti bho Mahadyute Kamadi Parabhavena Swahita Sadhanun Mukhastvam Atmanam Pratyag Bhinnam Pratyag Abhinnam va tatra Mhodaya. Pratyag Abhinnam Satatam Asupti Mruti Paryantam Janan Vedanta Vakyaihi Vicharayan Kalam Naya Ati Kamasva Vichara Sadhya Gnananantaram Cha Akhilam Prarabdham Charamadeha Arambhakam Karma Bhunjan Sukha Dukha Abhasa Anubhavena Kshapayan Samudvegam Kartum Na Arhasi iti arthaha.
Dhanyavadam.
Dhanyavadam Mhodaya.
Atmanam Satatam Janan Kalam Naya Mahadyute. He Mahadyute Atmanam Satatam Janan Kalam Naya Akhilam Prarabdham Bhunjan Kalam Naya Udvegam Na Kartum Arhati. So what does it say? He Mahadyute means oh illumined one. Mahan Jyotati. Mahan Jyot, the one who is the Pratyekatme Layate, Brahmatma Aikyam Sakshat Karyate, Tadanantaram Kim Bhavati, Atmanam Tatatam Janan, Akhilam Prarabdham Bhunjan Kalanaya. Keeping always, Tatatam means all the time. Atmanam Janan. Kim Kidrisham. Akhilam. That Atma is everything. This type of a knowledge Atmanam akhilam janan. Akhilam eva. Atmanam eva akhilam. Satatam janan. Then, including prarabdham. Prarabdhan bhunjan. That also is part of that. Kalam naya. So, leave the rest of the, continue your life with that. Udvegam na kartum arhasi. There is no reason for you to get worried about. Udvegam means worry. Udvegam na kartum arhasi. Kim nanu jnaninaha nishprapanchatmataya mama kim syat. That is a question which will come. If jnani nishprapanchatmataya, if the prapancha itself becomes null and void, mama kim syat, what will happen to me? Brahmanya bhojanena anyaha trupti iti chet ata aha. Now, that enjoyment, brahmani bhojanena anya trupti, there is no other trupti which is required for the enjoyment of Brahman. Brahmanya bhojanena anya truptihi iti chet ata aha. Atmanam iti bho. Atmanam iti. So that Atmanam, Brahmani, they are not separate. So Atmanam sadatam janan. Therefore, Brahmani bhojanam Atma avasthanam eva. He Mahabudhe, he Pandita, he Jnani, Kamadi para abhavena. So, there is no, Kamadi means Kama, Krodha, Mata, Moha, Malsadya, abhavena. So, hita sadhanan mukhaswam, sadhanon mukhaswam. So, hita sadhanon mukhastvam. So, sadhananmukham. So, sadhanonmukham means swahita. For what is swahitam? Because kamadi para abhavayena swahitam eva nasti. Therefore, sadhanonmukhastvam atmanam pratyekabhinnam tatatam asukti mriti paryantam. From the type when you asukti means till you sleep, that is talking about a day. Amriti paryantam means till we die. What is that? Pratyagabhinnam satatam atmanam. Swahita sadhanam mukham. Tvam atmanam. That atma is swahita sadhanam itself. Because what happens is, the hitam here is not, hitam cannot be what is part of the kamadi. When we are doing the kamadi, kama, krodha, mata, moha, means there the ichha is the predominant, not the hitam. Because hitam is something which is beyond the kamadi. Therefore, swahitam is what is that is pratyekatma avasthanam eva. Asukti amritam galam. That is what the Shruti says. Till we sleep and till we die, amriti. So there the Sukti and Mrityu is being compared as the similar events. Because where the individual ego is, in both the cases, gets destroyed. There is no individual ego when you are in deep sleep. Same way, when the Mrityu happens also, the individual ego is no more, not there. Iti janan Vedanta Vakye Vijarayan. Vedanta Vakye Vijarayan means in the Mananam, Nididhyasanam, in the Vedanta Vakye, Kalam Naya. You have to spend your rest of the time. Adhikamasva. Kalam Naya iti Adhikamasva. So we have to spend our concentration on remembering the Vedanta Vakya, even though we are in the Vyavahara, we will be with the Prarabdham Bhunjan. So there is that Prarabdham Bhunjan or Ityukte. Kalam Naya, we cannot do the Kalam Naya without the Dehatma Buddhi. But in the Dehatma Buddhi also, Vedanta Vakya Vicharayan, we have to have the Vedanta Vakya as the support for the day-to-day life. What is that? Pratyagatma Abhinnam Atmanam Sadatam. So that Atma is the one, my reality, not the Dehoham. Iti Vichintya Vedanta Vakya Vicharayan Kalanmaya. Vichara Sadhya Jnananantaram cha Akilam Prarabdam Charama Dehadaram Deha Arambagam Karma Bhunjan Sugadukha Bhasa Anubhavena Sugadukha Bhasa Anubhavena. Ityukte, I mean, what he is saying, Vichara Sadhya Jnananantaram. When we do the Vichara, Vedanta Vakyam Vicharayan, that Vicharam will take us to the Sadhya Jnananantaram. That Vichara is bringing to the Sadhyam. What is the Sadhyam? Pratyagatma Abhinnam Atmanam. Not Jnananantaram. That Jnana then becomes Dridam with us. Cha Akilam Prarabdam. So then what happens? The entire Prarabdam, Charama Deharambagam iti Vichintya. That is, this is my last body. Charama Deham. Arambagam is what is that? Now I have no more birth because I am not the one Deha. As long as I am thinking that I am the Deha, I have a birth and rebirth and death and karma and prarabdham and all those things. So when Atma Pratyagatma Abhinnam Satatam Aham Tadeva Mama Rupam Mama Swarupam Iti Janan, the one who knows that that is the reality, for him this is the Charama Deham. This is the last body, Arambagam Deham. This is the one last body of the in the life. Karma Bhunjan Sugha Dukkha Abhasa Anubhavena. Sugha Dukkham also becomes Abhasa. There is no more reality. Sugha Dukkham, even though Abhasa, Karmam also becomes Abhasa. So the Charama Deha Arambagatvat Karmam Bhojanam Sugha Dukkham Sarvam Abhasam Abhasatena Anubhavati. Chapayan Samudgvekam Kartum Arhasi Ityartha. Chapayan means Shiyate. When these things get reduced in their potency, then Deham Amratim Pajyantam Gacchati. So the Deha Pajyantam, whatever happens is for the Kshaya of the Sugha Dukkha Abhasa, Karmam, Sugam, Bhunjan, Sugha Dukkha Abhasam, all those things are to be consumed because of the Charama Dehatvena. Idvegam Kartum na Arhasi Ityartha. Therefore, this is the last thing. Whether this body is going through the Sukha, Dukkha is all because whatever is left out of the Arambagam, Prarabdha Arambagam, Tasya Chayana, for the Chaya of that is what is happening. I am not the Deha, so let the Deha go through that. I am different from Pratyagatma Abhinnam Atmanam Aham Iti Jnanan. This is the way in which we know that. So whatever happens the body is also not mine. So that, detachment to the effects, whatever happens to the body, whether it is a pain or pleasure or whatever may be that, there is no reason for us to udvegam, for the worry that should be a worry for the Jnani Mahabudhe, or the one who has understood the reality. For him there is no worry for this thing. So, Srividya, can you read this? Lalita, you are not reading, no?
Mahodaya, I can read now. Now I can read.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then read that.
Okay. उत्पन्नेऽप्यात्मविज्ञाने प्रारब्धं नैव मुञ्चति इति यच्छ्रूयते शास्त्रे तन्निराक्रियते अधुना. पदच्छेदः उत्पन्ने अपि आत्मविज्ञाने प्रारब्धं न एव मुञ्चति इति यद् श्रूयते शास्त्रे तत् निराक्रियते अधुना। अन्वयः आत्मविज्ञाने उत्पन्ने अपि प्रारब्धं न मुञ्चति एव इति यत् श्रूयते शास्त्रे तत् निराक्रियते अधुना। वस्तुतः विसर्गस्य सहकार ओके प्रारब्धमेव नास्ति। कुत अभोगः कुतो भोगः भोगाभावे कुत उद्वेगकारणं तदभावे च कुत तरां तन्निषेधोपदेश इति वेदांत सिद्धांत रहस्यं वक्तुं प्रतिजानत आचार्याः उत्पन्नः इति। अत्रेयं प्रक्रिया जगत्प्रति इति त्रिधा लौकिकी शास्त्रीय अनुभाविकी च इति। तत्र आद्या पारमार्थिकी द्वितीया अपरमार्थिकी तृतीया तु प्रातिभासिकी। तासां निवृत्ति तु क्रमात् वेदांत श्रवणात् आदि त्रय साक्षात्कार प्रारब्ध क्षयैर्भवति न अन्यथा इति। तत्र इयं प्रतिज्ञा अन्य प्रतीति इत्यभिप्रायेण अतिज्ञातव्यम्। श्लोकार्थः तु स्फुट एव। धन्यवादः महोदय।
उत्पन्ने अपि आत्मविज्ञाने प्रारब्धं न एव मुञ्चति इति यत् श्रूयते शास्त्रे तत् निराक्रियते अधुना। Now, prarabdham was referred in the previous sloka. Now, Acharya has a different take. See, what has happened is that prarabdham is recognized in the Shastra, Shruti, which is mentioned in the Chandogya Upanishad in the 6th chapter, 14th Pada, 2nd sloka. Shriyate chasya karmani tasmin drishte parabare is one thing in Gita. Yavanna vimoshe iti is in the Chandogya Upanishad. In all these places, the references of prarabdham is mentioned as a positive, as some things which are available. But there are other places where jnana is being referred as the main thing, and what happens for a jnani in those places, the prarabdham also is like a mirage, like a abhasam only. That is what Indra is saying, especially in Viveka Chudamani from 453 to 463 slokas. The 10 slokas are only explaining this aspect of the non-reality of prarabdha. So here he is giving a hint about that. Atma Vijnane Utpanne api prarabdham na munjati. Eva iti yat shruyate shastre tat nirakriyate aduna. So Acharya is nirakriyate. Atra kim nirakriyate? Atma Vijnane Utpanne sati prarabdham na munjati. Eva iti shastre shruyate tasya nirakaranam kriyate aduna. So Atma Vijnanam happens when the knowledge of the self arises. Then there is no more identification in the body, but the body is, having the prarabdha, because, the agami will not be there anymore because the jnana deva katu kaivalyam, that takes part it. But what is which is told in the other thing, Bhagavad Gita itself is said, no? Sarva karmani bhasmasat kurute Arjuna. So for a jnani, when there is in sarva karmani tyuktva sanchita agami prarabdha sarva karmanam bhasmasat kurute jnanam bhasmasat kurute tesham. So there is a Bhagavad Gita thing, and then in the Chandogya itself and Brihadaranya, this prarabdham has been deep and dealt as they are not real, but tasya avasam eva drishyate. So what happens from the jnani's point of view, prarabdham is not reality, but from the people who see him or those who drishta, who see the jnani, for him to explain that is why the prarabdham is explained in the Shruti. That's what Shankara explains in the Shlokas, Bhashakara. What he says that there is Atma Drishti and Paradrishti. From the Atma Drishti, the Deham itself is not a reality, it is only it is an appearance or in the awareness, because if it is a reality, it should have been there in all the three states. What is my Deha, Atman, what is my reality of the waking is not available to me in the dream and deep sleep. What is there in the dream is not available in waking or in deep sleep. And what is the waking dream, deep sleep body is not available for me in the waking and the dream. So each of them are the different experiences with different body. And I am different. Tebhyo vilakshana sakshi chinmatroham sadashivam. I am separate from that, who even when having the experiences of the body in the waking, the body in the dream, and the body of the deep sleep, I am aware of the three bodies which is being experienced by me. So as an experiencer, I can stand apart and look at the three bodies independent of that association with those bodies. But if you associate with the waking body, then you will say, I dreamt, I slept. That is because the association with that waking body takes place. But the waking body is also an object of awareness that only in waking we can make out. Because the intellect or the logic functions only in the waking. So that is why from one who has realized that aspect of that Dehatraya vilakshana sakshi chinmatroham sadashivam, that sakshi bhavatvena drishyate ched, when you are seeing the body, you can definitely have the stand or change your own locus standi from the deha bhava, deha tadatmya. You can leave that and look at that even deha as an object. And we can see the deha as an object, deha drishta, deha binnaha. Same way, what happens is the mind, the intellect and the emotions and thoughts and feelings, I am aware of that. So the one who is aware of, one who is a perceiver of the emotions and thoughts are separate from that perceiver of the object of perception, which is the emotions and thoughts and the body functions. So even in waking, I am able to take a locus standi or a separate stand that I am not associated with the body. That Tebhyo vilakshana sakshi, that sakshi can see that, and then the body, that body is the one which had a dream. That is the body which went through the deep sleep. But I am separate, and I am aware of the body going through the three states. So I am not the body. So when happens that Atma Vijnana Utpanne, that is where the Atma Vijnana Utpannam. Prarabdham na munjati. Vastutastu prarabdham eva nasti. Kuto bhogaha. Where is the enjoyment? Bhoga abhave kuto udgeda karanam. When bhoga itself is not there, where is the reason for the very? Tad abhave cha kutastaram tad nisheda upadeshaha iti vedanta siddhanta rahasyam bhaktum pradijanataha acharyaha utpanna iti. So Vedanta Siddhanta Rahasyam Bhaktam Pratijanataha Acharyaha. Acharya, in his eagerness to explain the Vedanta Siddhanta Rahasyam Bhaktam, he said that all these prarabdhameva nasti. Yada prarabdham nasti, when you don't have prarabdham itself, then where is the bhoga? Prarabdham is what? Karmanam, phalam, karma, karyam, karmam is, it, avidya, kama, karma. This is the triputi which is because of that we have the bhogas. So tada bhave, where is that question of prarabdhameva? Atra ayam prakriya jagat pratiti trivida laukiki shastriyanubhaviki chedi tatra adya paramarthiki judya paramarthiki tritiyastu pradibhasiki. So in the prakriya, this is a prakriya again, it is not the reality. Atra ayam prakriya. What is the prakriya? Jagat pratiti trivida. The pratiti of the world of experiences are in the three. What is paramarthiki? There is a reality. Then the aparamarthiki, which is not a reality, and pradibhasiki. That is absolute, transactional, and translutional. That is what pradibhasiki, which is not a reality. Like the dream is the pradibhasiki. Aparamarthiki is the waking and everything. And paramartham is what? Ahamatma. I am the Atma, Brahmatmaikyam, that, that Atma Vijnanam. That is a paramartham. So, Trivida, Shastriya, Anubhaviki Chet. In the Shastra, it talks about all the three. Tasam Nivritti Histu, Kramad Vedanta Charanadi Traya Sakshatkara Prarabdha Kshayair Bhavati. So when you start listening to the Vedanta Shravanadi Traya Sakshatkara Prarabdha Kshayair Bhavati. When you start listening to the Vedanta Shravana, what happens is that you are able to, in a situation, to disassociate with the body, dissociate with your thoughts and emotions. And when these things dissociated, prarabdha kshaya bhavati, because the prarabdha is of the body. And the effect of the prarabdha, which is felt in the mind as the sukha dukkhadi, of the effect of the prarabdha, that also is, you are the observer of that. So, Vedanta Shravanena, prarabdha kshayar bhavati, na anyatha, not otherwise. Idi trayam iyam, tatra iyam, praditnya anya pratiti abhiprayena adi jnatavyam shlokartha mastu sputameva. So in the shlokartha, what is the main shlokartha? We have to have the praditnya that this prarabdham is a part of the deha which I am saying na aham deha. So when deha is not there, prarabdham kudane karya karana bhavatvat prarabdham eva na tishtati. Therefore deham nasti chet prarabdham api nasti. So when you have, then how does it happen? Vedanta Shravanadi Trayena. So that the only way to do is that the Shastra, Vedanta Shastra, in Satyas Shravanam Kuryat, Shravana Manana Nididhyasana. As Yajnavalkya told his wife, Are Maitreyi Atma Vare Drishtavya, Srotavya, Mandavyo, Nididhyasitavya. So that is the Vedanta Shravanadi, what it is said that. Tat karanena prarabdham naiva bhavati iti shlokarthaha sprushtameva iti vastade. So we'll stop here. Any questions we can ask in the next class beginning, since we lost the time in the beginning. Or you have any questions? Or want to discuss that?
Yeah, Mahodaya, that you told something about absolute, transactional, and the other one, no? So that we can, I think.
Yeah, I'll explain that in the beginning.
Yeah, next class we can, because those three things you said, no? Yeah.
Yes.
We didn't understand. Yeah.
Okay, I'll explain that in the beginning of the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम्। धन्यवादः। नमस्कारः।
नमो नमः जी, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।